What's up, traders? Welcome to another C-Space trading video. As always, my subscribers, welcome. I appreciate it. Let's go ahead and hop into the daily analysis on Facebook. If you've been following, we've been following this thing for several days. As we popped this wedge here, had a gap up. Then yesterday we actually covered this gap, which we kind of anticipated if you've been following along just due to the volume here. I didn't feel good about it. I definitely wanted to come back and cover, and it did yesterday. Felt good about today, and that actually worked out. However, the fall here at the end of the day has got me a little nervous on what we're going to do. I just think it's, signs for the future that this thing may just be a little choppy and it's not going to go busting up back to 200. I think it may be a slow progress. So let's see the hourly here. This thing took off this morning for the first 2 hours, got near the 180 mark, which is your next level of resistance, then kind of flagged out. If you check the description below in this video, which I've got a platform on Facebook, it's a group page. Check that link out below where we actually discussed this bull flag that was setting up and just kind of keeping an eye on it here in the 15-minute chart on where this thing would go. And then here at 2:15 it kind of fell below. And then once this went red, if you played options or expiring options, this would have been a good time to get a put in and ride this thing out for a quick profit, quick day trade on options. But that's how I would have played it, but I wasn't around when it actually did fall, so I couldn't have played it there. My strategy for Facebook is actually I'm working on my options game. I've got an iron condor set up basically around the, actually I'll even show you his practice. I don't like to practice with real money, so you've got me here. I've got a I bought some calls at 190. I sold some calls at 187.50. I bought some puts at 165 and sold some puts at 167.50. The reward to risk ratio is terrible. I can make up to 180 bucks if it stays in this area over the next 8 days, or I can lose up to $2,300, which I would never let it get that high before I would just close it out for a loss. But I just believe it's just going to be choppy for at least another week or so. Tomorrow, maybe depending on what the market does. The market seems to be kind of at a top right now and could possibly pull back for another day or two, especially being at the end of the week. So I wouldn't be surprised if we're sideways again tomorrow and even it goes back down to 175. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. Guys, if you want to follow along, go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate it. And if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. If there are stocks you guys want to check out, ask me, comment below, or check out our Facebook platform. And that is it, guys. I appreciate the viewing, and I'll check you guys later.